Hi, this is Susan, and in this video I'm going to be talking about personality type, but more specifically the temperament guardians. And they're made up of 4 different personality types. So the guardians, they're the security seekers. They need structure and organization and a predictable lifestyle. And these people are reliable and dependable. So the first one is the chief executive officer. Think of them. They're the type that run companies or the type that are in charge of things. So they're leaders. They want to see things getting done smoothly and effectively. And they're good at organizing systems, developing plans, and following through. They're disciplined, responsible, stable, organized, and have a good work ethic. And one thing to think about is they focus on the present. They like working with what is real, and they're not interested in abstract thinking. Okay, so when you think of this type of personality, you think of like an accountant or somebody who works in a bank. You know, again, there's that structure, there's that predictability. They're working with concrete facts. So again, these are not the creative people, they're not the change agents, they're not the people that get energy from an audience. They're probably people that like working in the background, and they just like to get things done. They're very structured and predictable people. So again, ask yourself, do you have these personality traits? And again, how do they show up in your life? And what activities are you doing when this type of skill is required? I mean, face it, we all have to get things done, but you have to ask yourself, do you want this as the main focus of your career? Are you energized by this type of personality type where you need security and predictability and concrete facts, and you're not interested in abstract thinking or making changes or creativity? You know, you're just the structured, organized person who gets things done. So again, ask yourself if this personality trait is something that is important to you, and you feel energized by doing these activities. So again, comment below how it shows up in your life, and how you feel about it. You know, is this something that really you need in a career? So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next video we're going to go over another personality type, again within the Guardians.